Your new Samsung TV has arrived, and now it's time to install the stand. First, some safety precautions. It's a good idea to have a friend help unbox the TV and hold it steady throughout the process. And make sure the television has a stable foundation. We'll position the panel horizontally in this video, but some panels will stand vertically, depending on the model. Also, be careful not to press too hard on the screen, and keep the protective padding in place until the end. Now, gather the parts from the box. The stand feet are interchangeable, so you can install them on either side. You can also adjust the height of the stand feet to accommodate for soundbar usage. Just be sure to configure both feet to the same height to avoid any damage to your TV. Now, you'll attach the stand feet to the panel. Take one of the stand feet and with this side facing towards the back of the TV, slide it all the way in until it snaps into place. Repeat this for the other side. Be sure to slide it in all the way. Now that the stand legs are fastened, move the TV into place with the help of a friend. Let's get the TV powered up. First, plug in the power cable to the back of the TV panel, but hold off on connecting it to power until all of your sources are connected. For a seamless look, use the grooves to hide away the cable if your TV has them. And keep the cord nicely tucked away with the cable holder. Now that your installation is done, hook up your cable box, game consoles, home audio, and other gear. Plug in, hit the remote, and have a blast with your new TV.